The new list view gives project managers a faster and a more flexible way to organize, update, and analyze project data. Whether you're reviewing task progress, planning upcoming work, or managing large projects, everything you need is available in one customizable workspace. To begin with, choose the format that best matches your workflow. Use a simple list for everyday task management. Switch to the WBS list to work with your project structure. Or use the grouped list to organize tasks by status, assignee, priority, or custom fields. Customize your workspace by showing only the fields you need. Remove, add, resize, and reorder columns. And don't worry, your layout will be safe for future sessions. Need to find information quickly? Sort tasks by any column, apply filters, and instantly focus on the work that matters most. Keep your project up to date without switching views. Create new tasks and milestones. Update task details directly in the table. And use drag and drop to quickly adjust task order or reorganize work where supported. Working with complex project structures? The WBS list lets you manage task hierarchy in a familiar outline view. Any structural changes you make are automatically reflected in your project, keeping your WBS relevant. The group list helps you organize work by the criteria that make the most sense for your team. Additionally, the new list view is also available across My Tasks and Portfolio tabs, giving you a consistent experience wherever you manage your work. When it's time to share project information, export your data to Excel. You can export either all available fields or the ones displayed in your table, while preserving the current sorting, grouping, and filtering. With flexible layouts, powerful organization tools, and fast inline editing, the new list view helps you manage projects more efficiently and stay focused on what matters most.